welcome back to another tutorial where we do a Final Cut Pro trick in under 2 minutes. Today we're doing a really highly requested one. It's adding text. Everybody asks this in my course, and so I thought it would be a really good one to put out on YouTube. So let's jump in. The first and easiest way to add text is just to press Ctrl-T on your keyboard. I have the keyboard pulled up so you can see, and it's going to add a basic title straight to your timeline. And you can kind of move that title around on the screen by dragging it, or go to your inspector on the upper right hand, and that's where you can specialize the font. You can make the text larger or smaller. You can also change the color by going into face. You can add a drop shadow, which is what I normally do. After that, you can change the length of how long you want the text on screen just by dragging it like that on your timeline. The second way to add text is just go to your title inspector on the upper left-hand side, and that's where you'll see all the titles that you have. Final Cut Pro has a ton built in, but I also have a ton of presets, so I just searched for basic title, which is the one that you'll get if you press Ctrl-T, and you can just drag the title that you want onto your timeline. And then you can go to your inspector on the right and specialize it in all the ways we just did before. Now you have your text. The third step is totally optional. It's just if you want to animate your text on and off the screen. So you can add a transition. I'm going to add a cross dissolve to the intro of the text and add a slide effect to the outro, making sure we select slide out. And then this text is animated to cross dissolve on the screen and then slide off the screen, and just gives it a little extra touch. See how easy that was? Crazy. I hope that was helpful. If you like these types of videos, I have a playlist for all the tutorials. You can learn really fast, go through them in under 2 minutes each. I make videos every 2 weeks, so I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.